Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a customer account in Salesforce. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your Salesforce skills, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and straightforward. Let's get started. First, log into your Salesforce account by entering your credentials on the login page. Logging in ensures you have access to all the features and tools Salesforce offers. So this is an essential first step. Once you're in, head over to the App Launcher, the central hub where you can access all Salesforce apps. In the search bar, type Accounts and click on the Accounts section. This will take you directly to the Accounts page. Now, look at the top right corner and click the New button. This opens a window where you can create a new customer account. The first field to fill out is the account name. For example, you might enter a B Corporation. The account name helps you quickly identify customers in your Salesforce database. Next, choose the account type. Since we're creating a customer account, select Customer. This ensures your accounts remain organized and easy to filter or sort. You'll also see fields for phone number, website, industry, and other details. While some of these are optional, filling them out creates a complete record, which is incredibly helpful for future interactions or analysis. If available, add the billing address and shipping address. These details are optional but useful for shipping, billing, or regional marketing purposes. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, take a moment to review everything to catch any errors. When you're satisfied, click Save. And just like that, you've successfully created a customer account in Salesforce. Keeping your customer information accurate and up to date is key to getting the most out of Salesforce. I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials to enhance your Salesforce skills.